We were the first bank in Kenya, listed bank, to have a 50-50 diversity ratio at a board level. And I can tell you, it's, again, and I'm repeating this, it's time for women. Really glad. Sultanah, the first in the market, dedicated specifically for women, is a proposition that I must say, really proud for us to be able to launch this. And a request to you, please embrace it. Please look at the proposition and share a lot of feedback in terms of how we can make it even better.
By choosing this name, Absa is not just branding a product. You are affirming a woman's rightful place at the center of the economy. It is catered to women who deserve finance that respects their values. We are talking about ambition with ethics. And that's why Sultanah, blended with the Islamic principles, becomes a unique selling point for sustainability. This product bridges the worlds of faith, gender, finance, and development. It is proof that financial inclusion can be ethical, sustainable, and transformative. So I urge Absa to continue walking alongside women, not just as clients, but as partners, in creating communities and a nation that we will all be proud of. And to the women here today, Sultanah is yours. Take it, own it, use it, and let it be a tool not just for survival, but for prosperity, for legacy and impact.
We are here because we are here to support and ensure that each and every woman has an opportunity to run a business in a sustainable manner. So Absa Bank has sat down and spoken about, first and foremost, women in leadership. Then we said about women in business, because this is our journey. From an internal perspective, we are also showing up, making sure that women step up. And believe me, today we have more women in leadership than we've ever had before, women sitting on the board, making sure that we intentionally include women in every conversation that we have. We came up with the name Sultanah deliberately. But in Arabic, it evokes strength, leadership, and dignity. And I thought that was really important for women. And that is exactly what this proposition represents, the power of women to lead, to inspire, and to shape communities and economies. Our brand purpose at Absa Bank speaks to empowering Africa's tomorrow, one story at a time. It embodies our commitment to innovate financial solutions that cater to all, despite age, religion. Through Sultanah, we will provide women with the tailored Sharia-compliant financial solutions, capacity building, financial literacy opportunities, networks, platforms that connect women to the markets, mentors, and growth opportunities.